Engineers at Purdue University developed a paint that could cool down buildings enough to eliminate the need for air conditioning. The new paint reflects over 98% of sunlight, compared to only 80 to 90% achieved by typical commercial heat-reflecting paints currently on the market. A roof area of about 1,000 square feet covered with the new paint could achieve a cooling power of around 10 kilowatts. This is more powerful than the central air conditioners used by most houses. The extreme whiteness of the paint is due to the very high concentration of barium sulfate. This makes the painted surface highly reflective. The reflectance is further helped by using varied particle sizes, which allows the paint to scatter more of the sun's light spectrum. Imagine how much money and energy we could conserve by simply painting our houses with the right paint. What do you think about this development? Please type your comment below. For more fascinating science and technology news, click the thumbnail on your screen. If you're a fan and want to do something good for the planet, click the subscribe button.